Hi all, today we are on Windows 11 and we are going to look at how to run your Windows 11 updates. Let's get into it. So to start off, we are going to want to come down to the start menu down here and we're going to go to settings. Now I have the icon here, but you can also search for settings. Then we're going to click on that and open it up. Once here, we're going to come down to Windows Update in the bottom left. And here is the update system for Windows. So we can go ahead and click check for updates. And it's going to run through a check. So right now I'm completely up to date. But if you did have updates, you would get a list populated right here, and it would give you a couple options. One of the options would be you can click on each individual update and click install, or there is another option for install all updates. So depending on how much time you have or what you're doing, you can choose to do what you may need to do. Another thing to note when you're going through your updates is it's good to close down any other programs. That way, in case any of the updates may affect those programs, they don't run into issues force closing or needing to close programs and airing out the update itself. That is the basic way of how to run a Windows update. Let me know if this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.